In today's video, we're going through how to merge two different Power BI models using Tabular Editor. So this comes from a question that a customer asked. They had a use case where two different Power BI models they are based on the same source, but now they want to merge the two different models, and the merge target needs to be a Power BI desktop PBIX file, because it's got the report like visualization elements saved, and they also need to identify if there's any duplicates that appear between two different models, so they can remove the duplicates. So in order to show you how to do this, first I have a base PBIX file that has like a couple of tables and measures, and then also simple visualization. What we need to do first is to open it in Tabular Editor. So we go to Tabular Editor, and we're going to open from DB. From local instance, this merge 0 case. So you can see the two different tables as well as the relationship that exists. What we then need to do is to open a different model that we want to merge into this model. So in my customer's case, they had the model saved as a database.json, but you can also do a different model from a model deployed in Power BI Premium or Fabric, or a model that's saved as a serialized folder. So in this case, we're gonna first open a different Tabular Editor instance, and then open it from folder. So our like model that we want to take a lot of objects and merge into our desktop model is coming from this merge model folder. You don't want to have the workspace mode, and you can see that this model has a lot more tables and a lot more relationships. Instead of one measure in the budget table, we've got all these other measures as well, and we also have measures in the invoice table too. So what we want to do is to take the tables in this model that we want to copy over. We want to exclude the budget and the customer table, since those tables already exist in our target model. And we want to copy, go to the target model, and then we can paste it. You can see all of these tables got copied over, and you can see the measures within the invoice table also got copied over. And you can do the same for like share expressions and relationships as well. So we'll also copy over the relationships. And you can see there are duplicate relationships because they're coming from the same tables. So we just need to delete that. And you see that maybe from the model that we want to merge in, there are measures that doesn't exist in our target model. So in this model, there's only one measure called gross budget, but in the model that we want to merge from, there's an entire folder and there's more measures in there. So what we can do is to copy all of these over. And you can see all of the measures got copied over. So, and because gross target exists in both models, this is marked as gross target budget 1, and you can easily delete the duplicates if you want. We can delete the duplicates and then move the gross targets into the folder if we want. And in the event where you have duplicates where the definition is the same, but the measure name is different, for instance, in this case, the gross budget and the total budget has the same exact definition, but the name is different, the measure name wouldn't be marked as space 1, and they're not that easily visible by the users, especially if you have the case where 2 different teams of Power BI developers make 2 different Power BI models based on the same data source. You could have the case where 2 measures have the same exact definition but 2 different names. What you can do easily is to use the AI assistant. And you can say identify measures in this model that have the same definitions. I need to give AI assistant access to the model metadata. So AI assistant will help you identify, by the way, gross budget and total budget, despite the name being different. They have the exact same DEX code definitions. So then you can just go to these and remove one of these if you want to. And now all of our tables, including the additional tables, including additional measures on the table that already exists in the original model, and all the relationships are copied over. We can simply save it. If you save it, these should already exist in your Power BI model. And your original visual content is not impacted as long as you don't remove the measures or the objects the original visual are using. You can then develop more visualization based on additional objects you add to this model by merging. That's it. That's a very simple tutorial on how to merge the 2 models together using Tabular Editor. If you want to use the AI assistant to identify identical measures, you will need the Enterprise edition of Tabular Editor. That's it. I'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it.